see if you come across this pattern here, where this has got to go over here, that's got to go there, and they're opposite each other. See, the white's got to go over here, and the yellow's got to go over here, and the white goes, the blue goes over here, and the green goes over here. Well, anyway, a guy named Andrew something Cuber, shout out to him. He did this. He got to do this. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. And I thought, what if I found a shorter way? So I put it in this way. Jesus helped me figure out things. Jesus Christ, Lord Savior God, help me think of a shortcut. I'll do this pattern. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. See, it puts it in that pattern again where this got to go over here. Both, see, this goes here, that goes there. Anyway, here's my quick way. Do this, and then come over here, and find out that's quicker. His ideas are fun to do, but Jesus helped me find a shorter pattern, like he found a shorter pattern in the middles. So I thought, well, how can I put it in the pattern without doing his middle thing? So I thought of this. Then come over here, put this over here, and go, or this would normally go here. I'm just going to go the opposite way. Then come over here. Well, you know, I did it wrong. I'm sitting there talking, I'm not focusing. Okay. Well, as soon as I put this back the way it was, I'll show you what I meant I was going to do. It would have been done by now, but due to I didn't do it right. Okay, I put it in this once, twice, back once, back twice. Okay, let's try this again. Go this way, then come over this way. Yeah, that does it. See how quick that does? This goes here and that. It's the same thing. So let's go this way. And come over here. It's quicker. But this way. But this way is fun to do though. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Well, I goofed. I know what I meant to do, but it didn't come out right. There. Now, this side's done, but these are all around, so let me just put this in like so. Okay. See this pattern here? Where the two's got to get done? The two sides are done, I put it in the back and go. Come up. Whoops. I goofed. I'm sitting there talking, not focusing. Well, I done mess it up big time. That's no problem, I'll fix it. Okay. It's back to this again. Alright. Put the two in the back and do this. And come over here when it's done and do this. Or I can do it like this. Move it here. And then just put it off to the side. The Tuesday. Well, I know what I'm doing if I do it right. Put it right here where this is upside down, yeah. I know what I'm doing, it's just being funny. There. Alright, now, here's the other way to do it. Where I put this, instead of doing like that, I'll put it over here, and these two right here are right here. I just come over once, and then still keep it there and go. And then I come over here, and it should be done. See, you can do it that way too. So I showed 3 different ways to do that. Anyway, here's the other kind of solve. 1, 2, 2, 3. I hope I did it right. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and here. And then there's I know what I'm doing, but I think I made a wrong turn, but I know what I'm doing. Just gotta do it there. I'm so used to doing it the other way. Anyway, there it is. Alright, and then my version of mix. Do a little spin. That's Stephen Brown's idea of spin, but I add that little flourish where I catch it and then rub it around and go 1, 2, 3, and then you ask them to pick a color. Just say they say yellow. Alright, yellow, no problem. Alright, you picked yellow, so watch as the color that you picked becomes solid. And not only that, the whole cube got solved. Alright, now, what was I going to do? Oh. Alright, this is mixed too, trust me. If you don't know what you're doing, which it took me a while to get adjusted, see, I learned all these new patterns to solve it quicker, that I went to do this and I messed up at least 2 or 3 times. I was like, what am I going wrong? But I think I figured out my problem. Anyway, imagine that it's 20 moves away, 5 moves away, 3, 2, 1. Trust me, if you don't do it right, you'll mess up big time. That's why Craig Petty, Stephen Brundage, Henry Harris all say, and Magic Orthodoxy say, it's important to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. because either they say you're going to mess up and you're going to have to solve it so you can do the tricks, or if a kid wants to play with it and you're doing your magic show and if you don't know how to solve it, then the trick solves. You can't do the trick solves if you don't know how to solve it. So even though, like Craig Petty and Stephen Brown says, I know that they say in the description that you don't have to know how to solve a cube to do these routines, but they say it's important to know in case you mess up or someone mixes it up and you can't get it back. So it's important to know how to solve it, so then you can go on and do the routine. Anyway, show it mixed, and you show the hand empty, and then come around and show that it's solved on all sides. And then you can show it mixed and do the wave, and it's solved. And what do I do with the other? Oh, see, say blue, red, yellow. Okay. Blue, red, yellow. Blue, red, yellow. Hopefully I did it right. Looks right. This side solved matches this side. See, this side matches, this side matches, this side matches. All 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5. 6. All 6 sides. And then you can take it and you see that it's all mixed, and you can give it a wave and it's solved. Well, oh, this is the new one, I can tell. There. And then, or show it mixed. Oh yeah, mix it up more. 1, 2, 3. Spin it. And then show it still mixed and go behind the back, show it empty, and it's solved. Spin it. Ta-da.